Alright, blessed people, welcome to my YouTube channel. There are 3 beautiful airdrops I want us to talk about in this video. The link to those airdrops will be in the comment section, so stay tuned. This is the Bool network. It's a very nice project you need to look out to, and the token will still be listed in less than no time. So it's something you need to rush into. There's no time. If you know you are not in this network right now, you are missing out. So let me show you how the interface run, and if it's something you enjoy and also like to know about it. So right now, this is the home page. These are the home page look like, and there are daily tasks for me to do. I just need to click on these daily tasks and say start here. These are daily tasks I need to do. Go back, check, need to come here. So I'm done with the daily tasks and I've been credited, you see. So that's just it for the daily tasks, these tasks. So what we need to do is staking. After you're done with the daily tasks, there are different tasks for you to go about. See this global square, you can fill this and get 15. Let me check this. You need to check this. You see, I just got 10 token now. I just got 10 token. So it's something that's not hard for you to get. So what you just need to do now, the next thing I'll be showing you now is how to stake. You come here, directly staking. You come here and click on stake. Click on max. Click on confirm. Okay, your staking must be up to 200. If not, you will not be able to stake. So right now I've already staked, so I will not be able to stake because my profit is not up to 200 worth of Bitcoin. So it's something you just need to chill and check. You see, I'm already staked here with 671 token. I already staked, so I'll not be able to stake because this my balance here is not up to 200. So it's something you need to just check. It's not something that has much stress. It's not something that has much check. You check here if there's any lucky pool for you to spin. If there's anyone, then you just need to spin it and get some token. So don't play with this because it will still be listed. So it's something you just don't need to play with it. If at all you want to follow airdrop, you just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that I'll be updating you on different airdrop. Because of the bull run that is ongoing right now, there are different airdrop program, different staking program, different token that is coming up now. So it's something you don't need to miss out. So please just stay tuned for me. So I'll just be updating you. You can do well by subscribing to our YouTube channel. We are just starting. Just need to encourage us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Then go to friends. You can check on this your friends here. If you have 1 or 2 friends that you felt they are interested in this kind of stuff, you can share your link to them and it will enable you to get more rewards, more check-ins. So that's it. It's not something much. So that's it for the Bool network. Don't play with it. It will still be listed on different exchange. On our list is Iceberg. Iceberg also is a nice project. I would like you to put your time in, put your energy. Iceberg is a program that is a very nice program that will encourage you, to dip your hands into this airdrop and enjoy what is inside. So this is my Iceberg platform where I do main daily mining. You can see it's remaining just 47 minutes for me to claim this mining that is ongoing right now. So after 47 minutes, I'll just claim it, and it do last for 5 hours. Every 5 hours, you just need to come and claim. This function is under the space. Every 5 hours, you just need to come here, click on claim. You claim your 100 token. You understand? The token for airdrop per claim is 100. So you just need to come here to tax. Most of these airdrop are having different tags for you to go through every day. So that's just it. You see, most of the tags, I'm done with most of the tags. So let me just click on one and show you how it is. Let me just find something that's not much stressful. Let me show you how it is. So you see, I've already loaded that page. So I'll just need to get 2000 worth of my Iceberg. Let me click on get. Let me see. See, I just got 2000 worth of my Iceberg. So that's how it is. Okay, let's look at something simple here. Let me join this Telegram channel, then I'll claim this 2000 again. Something you just need to do every day, spend your 2 hours. Let me go back and click. Let me see. Okay, let me go back to space. Let's see if it will add again. This is 79,000 79,750. Let me go back to that tax that I just did. Let's see if it will add. Let's see if it will add up. Let's click on claim here. Let's see. You see, my balance I've already added. So it's something that is not stressful at all. You just need to come to this tax and make sure you complete all the tax. Let's get more coin. Let's click on the simple tax. Let's get more coin. There's no more tax, but I'm done with all the simple tax. You can come here to your friends. You can invite your friends. See, I just invite few friends. And you will get 10% of their earnings. Look at the top referral earning that I have. You can refer and get. Still talk to them. Let them be working on it. Look at some of my friends that are not doing anything currently. So you can still DM them. Talk to them, let them come on board, let them do one or two things. So you see, that's just what you just need to do. You just need to refer friends and make sure they are active in the platform. Let me go back to my wallet. You see, I've already connected my wallet. These are things you will not have issue with. So as you can see, I've already connected my wallet. Look at my reward. This is how the reward is being calculated. I have referred one or two people, and look at I'm in the Bonzi, whatever what they call. So that's just it. So it's not something that's too hard. In the next like 45 days, Iceberg will be launched. So we are expecting Iceberg to be launched in the next 45 days. So what are you waiting for? You have no reason to be sitting down there doing nothing or doing something that is not profitable. Try to do one or two things. Come on, I'm sending you airdrop back to back. We have different airdrop programs going on right now. So you just do it to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, bro. Support us. We need your support. So that's just it for the Iceberg. So there will be a link in the description whereby if you click the link, it's going to take you to this place. Once you take it to this place, you just click on play now. Okay, now this is your home currently. You just need to follow. You need to follow their Facebook page, their Instagram, Twitter, Telegram. So you just need to click on this link and follow them. The Next Bitcoin. It's a very nice project. It's a very, very nice project. The Next Bitcoin token was launched, I think, 3 weeks ago, around the first week of January. And here's the Next Bitcoin government token. So it's something you don't need to play with, and it's something you can mine from your comfort zone. Once you just click on mine here, you see currently is mining, and it will stop mining after 24 hours. So you just need to come here after 24 hours. You just need to come here and claim, and still start mining here again. So that is how this mining aspect works. You need to come here every 24 hours and click the mining button every 24 hours. Once in 24 hours, you just need to come. Then once you come here to friends, you see you can invite friends as much as possible. So that your mining power will increase. It's something you need to do. You can invite friends as much as possible. You can check their lead board. Look at how many people are leading. Look at right now I'm in the top 120 people, and you see, look at the lead board. Is a very nice, very, very nice. Look at my wallet here. You see, if I like, I can connect my wallet at any time. Look at what I've mined so far. This is what I've mined so far. So it's something you shouldn't play with. It's something I don't expect you to play with. Every day you just need to come here where they say daily check-ins. You need to come here every day and click these daily check-ins to take you to a dashboard like this, whereby you can click on daily check-ins. I've already checked this one right now. You see, I just earned 10,000 worth of the NBGT. I don't need to miss any of these days, man, so that I'll be able to hit up to this 75,000 token. You see, so it's very simple. Look at the interface. Everything is simple. So don't miss out. Next Bitcoin is something you shouldn't miss. So thank you.